Salam alaikum. Good days to my friend. This is Corin. I have worked in gold mining field for more than 4 years. I've been worked in Sudan, in Egypt, in Russia, and Iran before. My clients are all around the world, such as in South America, East Africa, West Africa, Middle East, Russia, and Southeast Asia. Today, I will discuss with you about the dry processing technology for gold ore. From this presentation, you will know more information. You will know more information about the technology and equipment for dry gold processing proposal. Okay. And by the way, the company I worked in has been consulting for gold mineral processing for 22 years. In this presentation, we will discuss about four topics: the backgrounds, products, cases, and one proposal. You know, in the world, especially in Africa, in Sahara Desert, there are, there are many countries located inside the Sahara Desert, such as Sudan, Egypt, Chad, Algeria, Niger, Mauritania. All of these countries are rich in good deposit of gold, gold mine, gold ore. But the problem is the location, lack of water. So let me ask you, do you have such a situation as follow? You have good olive resource in your country, on your site. But you told me you lack of water and the cost of water is much more than oil. That is fantastic, but that is the real situation happened in lots of clans side. Take it easy. You are not a lack of water. You're just a lack of professional processing technology and equipment. Now you find us. We will provide the most professional and efficient completed proposal to you. Firstly, let's let's learn about something about dry processing for gold resource. We are the first company to design and research and manufacture the dry processing equipment. Before it is a blank of the market all around the world. Till now, we are the only one manufacturer in China. I don't know what about in other country, but in China we are the only one manufacturer, and we are independent in intellectual property. Our technology fill in the blank of dry processing for gold all around the world. It is high efficiency and high recovery as Nielsen concentrator. And even though, and by the way, we still keep upgrading our technology. Right now, we have created the product generation third. Later, I will show you. And let's talk about something about a working index. What's the range of our proposal? For gold bead sand gold all, for rock all with free gold, also for weathering rock gold all and olive gold all. So you can check which type of gold all on your site. And second, our equipment, our proposal can process the materials more than 15 mesh, which is 0.3 millimeter. And third, concentrate ratio is 4,000 to 1. That means you can extract 1 kg product gold concentrate from 4,000 tons of gold ore. Sorry, it's you can get 1 ton of product from 4,000 tons of raw material. First, one thing you must make sure that the moisture content of your materials must be less than 2%. Or you need to dry your materials to satisfy this standard. You see, this is our product and our patents. You can see. Okay, let's continue. Technology presentation. The theory of dry processing technology is we use wind to produce vortex, just showed in the picture, vortex. And by the function of vortex, light materials will upwards and high density materials will downwards, such as gold, platinum, tungsten, and so on. That is the theory of concentration. Now let's talk about the recovery, which is most cared about you, my client, my friend. Firstly, you should know there are three types of gold in your materials. First one, which is according to the particle size and the shape of the gold. The first type, powder gold, is very fine. It's like powder. For this kind of gold, the recovery can be 70%. Second type, piece gold. It's like piece by piece. It's like leaves. Yeah, it's very thin. The shape is special. For this kind of gold, recovery can be 90%. And third one is placer gold. Placer gold is bigger powder gold. The particle size is more than powder gold, but the shape is placer, is sand. And what about the traditional processing technology of white processing, such as shaking table, jig, separator, concentrated separator, For those wide processing proposal, the recovery is same from 70 percentage to 95 percentage, and wide processing technology also only used for these three kind of goal. Okay, now we move to chapter 2 and 3. Let's talk about let me present our products and cases to you. As I told in the beginning, our company, we never stop. We never stop. We never stop. We input all the profit has been we input all the profit to design to update our technology and our manufacture production line to make sure at any time there's no other companies can follow in our products, so we can be always in the position of leader for dry processing field for gold. Till now, we have designed three generations till now, and right now we only focus on generation third. The generation first can just like the drawing the picture, yeah, put it uh, here. Generation is like bicycle. Generation 2 second is like motor bicycle. Generation 3 is like car. So you can see they are update more and more perfect, more and more efficient, and more stable, and the capability is bigger and bigger. Generation 1. Okay, now let me give the detailed introduction for each product. Generation 1 was designed on 2005. It is first time to extract the gold by dry processing. A recovery is about 60 to 70 percentage uh, maximum, and also it doesn't work stably, and the scale is limited. So you can see there are some cases. First one is finished in Sudan 2007, 10 tons per day. You can see this unit is very small. And let me tell you an interesting key story. You know, in 2007, we export our generation 1 uh, product to Sudan, and after that there are some local factory, they copy our design and manufacture by the local factory. So you can find some Sudanese miners, uh, they use this kind of processing unit, but it's smaller and is low efficient. The second case was in China, finished in 2006, 10 tons per hour. The third one is in Mongolia in 2008, 20 tons per hour. Now let's see the generation second. It was designed from 2010. We mainly update the mechanical movement, and the air duct. Both updated design can improve the recovery more than 70 percentage. Till then, we can get a profitable recovery. We can make sure the recovery of our production line. And generation 2, generation second can work more stable. Let's see the cases. First one in Mongolia, 2011, 50 tons per hour. Second one is in China, Xinjiang province, 2010, 50 tons per hour. And third one is in South Korea, 60 tons per hour, 2013. Now, now in this page is uh, generation third. We can also say it 3.5 generation or 2.5 generation. It was designed from 2014. We updated it to semi-automatic. What does that mean? What does mean so automatic? Semi-automatic. It means uh, it can work automatically, except discharging product. So by this unit, you have to discharge the product by hand, by manual, by batch, one batch. After one batch, then you discharge the product by manual. And from this generation, we expand the capacity. Let's see. First one is the unit in our factory, 80 tons per hour. Second one is Mongolia. The third one. Now it is generation 3. Second, we updated to hydraulic automatic. It's full automatic. Can discharge product by automatically. Working more efficient. Recovery is higher. Cases 1, Guyana, 2017, 100 tons per hour. The second one is 100 tons per hour in Mongolia, 2017. The third one is 150 tons per hour, China, in the内蒙古province, 2018. Now let me show you some video. This video was taken from my client in Libya. My client told me this machine was manufactured by Sudanese factory. This is our generation 1 equipment. So from the video, you can see this unit this unit consists of 7 or 8 small independent dry shaking table. That is why my client had told me the capacity is small and it's not efficient. Also the recovery because the Sudanese factory they only can copy our design. Our first generation is very small. They cannot expand it to a bigger independent uh, shaking table, but so they can only uh, uh, to double to copy the shaking table to 7 or 8 or 10 to working together. That is why it works that is why it works not efficient. You can see you can see 1 2 3. I think maybe it's about 7 or 8 shaking table, small shaking table together. They connect them one by one, but for each one, it's small capacity and it's low efficiency. Also, this so this is just you can see this is one independent unit from that group. This is what my client they are using in Libya. My client told me there are huge resource of this kind of material, this kind of ore, but low efficient. The grid is also high. The grid is more than 3 ppm. It's pretty good, but lack of technology, lack of high efficient technology and equipment. Now let me show you the videos of generation 3. You can see this is the shaking table. We expand the size of the shaking table. Also, we update the movement, the mechanical movement, and the air chute. This is a completed unit, screening, vibration, screaming, shaking, and this in the small in the room is a shaking table, dry shaking table. Where's my PPT? Okay, so now you have seen how this unit work. Now I want to show you a proposal. It was made for this can one of my clients in Libya. Completed mobile sand gold dry concentration plant. Mobile. In our proposal, there is a steel structure base. We can install all the equipment on the base. Also, we can install the equipment in the truck on the truck. It is available to move from one place to another place, because for Alluvial gold, uh, it is distributed in different place. Maybe today you work in this area, and the next week or next month you have to move to another place. In this case, we design it as a mobile type, and it is powered by a diesel generator, feeding by excavator and a loader.